Om Sri Sasidananda Sadguru Sainath Maharaj Ki Jai. This is Sai Deepak Ji here for you today. Today I wanted to tell you something and show you something which is very, very exciting. So I have got this message from Baba that somebody of you is asking Baba for some things. So maybe you are asking if something will happen or something will not happen, or you are just expecting some news to come from Baba. So if you're watching this video and if you have asked Baba for some answers, especially the yes or no answers, then this video is for you. You are the chosen one. So we are going to see Baba's answer with the help of a divine pendulum. So this pendulum is blessed by Baba's energy, and it has been with me for several years, and I have been doing this pendulum reading and pendulum healing using some stones. I have been doing all this energy work. So today we are going to see from this pendulum. This pendulum is going to give you the answers if you have asked Baba for some answers. This is your reply from Baba. Jai Sai Ram. Jai Sai Ram. Jai Sai Ram. Om Sri Sachidananda Sadguru Sainath Maharaj Ki Jai. Baba says, whatever you have thought, may happen, but it is not fully confirmed. Because you are having self-doubts, so it will not happen very fast. You have been doubting a lot, and then it says, if you keep doubting, nothing will happen. But if you have the divine faith, then things will go in the positive direction. So due to some lack of energy, you are not supplying enough energy to what you want to manifest. Things are not happening very quickly, but with God's intervention, things can move very fast. Also, if you have asked for some health issues, it will get resolved in few months, 4 to 6 months. Four to 6 months it will take for the health issue If you have asked for abundant money flow, then you have to wait for some more time very patiently. These are all the messages coming to me from Baba. I'm showing it to you live on this video now. This is how, using the pendulum, we can read the vibrations from the pendulum, which is talking to me in a particular language, and we can come to know of the divine will. I thank Baba. I thank this pendulum for giving us the answers today. I thank Baba for guiding us. I thank the Holy Masters. I thank my Guru. I thank all the beings who are with me now today. I thank Mother Earth. I thank all the holy angels. I thank you in good faith. Thank you so much for attending this video. So hope you have got your answers from Baba using the divine pendulum. So if you need any such guidance, you can always contact me and just message me. I will definitely do my best to get the right messages from you, from the divine. Om Sai Ram.